welcome to your Denver Metro Real Estate Update. I'm Eve Evans with the Servant Corporation, your licensed Colorado real estate consultant. Today is February 7th, 2022. According to RE Colorado, listings increased with 700 new over the last 7 days. Given January month end, closings also increased with 1,036 last week. Our median sales price for January closed just under $515. And median days on market remained steady at 6 days. As a reminder, the Colorado Association of Realtors is reporting December statistics. We have 0.6 of 1 month of resale statewide inventory. And year-over-year appreciation is 15.95% between single-family and condos. Let's explore how this appreciation figure could impact move-up buyers. Today, if you're exploring a home that costs $450,000, applying 15.95% appreciation, that home could cost over $520,000 a year from now. And what about its impact on payments? Newsflash, I've been talking about it for a while, and rates finally increased. Normal rates with good credit and a healthy down payment are closer to 4% today. So today a home at $450,000 at a 4% interest rate, principal and interest payment, is nearly $2,150. If we apply the appreciation figure, the payment on $521,775 is $2,491 for an additional cost of $343 each month and a cost over $4,000 each year. But what if rates go to 4.75%? That new payment is $2,722 for an additional cost compared to today at $573 and an annual cost of over $6,800 every single year. Folks, that is nearly $35,000 just over the first 5 years. Final thoughts for the day? Have you been contemplating a move? If so, I encourage you to book your complimentary consultation with me today. If you're considering selling, that consultation includes a market activity report for your neighborhood, where we'll explore average days on market, how long is it taking for homes to go under contract, recent sales, current competition, even expired listings, so we know what's not working. That will also include a free home valuation, so you know the approximate value of your home based on your unique upgrades and condition. I'll also include a custom estimate of net proceeds after selling, so you know what you'll have to work with for paying for your new home. I'll also include a room-by-room review, which gives you great suggestions for properly staging your home for maximum profit. If you're thinking about buying, I will give you a consultation with a pre-qualification so you know your buying power, as well as a custom ownership estimate with a new home budget. That's it for this week. Again, I'm Eve Evans with the Servant Corporation, your licensed Colorado real estate consultant. If you found this information helpful, please remember to like, comment, and share. Make it a great week.